Our topic for today is HVAC interview questions with answer. I made this video because I have a lot of requests from my Facebook page, Automation Academy TV, and my YouTube channel, please check it out, that they want more, and also have some interview questions and answer that are related to the topic, like electrician, maintenance, mechanic, electrical and mechanical engineers, and many more on one of my playlists. Just visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe to encourage me to make part 2 of this video. Question number 1. Tell me something about yourself. Sample answer. I'm Max, a certified HVAC technician with experience in commercial and residential, and I put first on my job the quality, safety, and customer satisfaction. I have more than 5 years of experience in heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration system, as well as mechanical and electrical controls. I am reliable, consistent, and focused on doing the job, and can work alone as well as with others. Why do we hire you? Sample answer. Because I am self-driven or hardworking person, and I believe that I am the most qualified applicant for the job. I am knowledgeable in air handling units, chilled water system, steam valves, motor repair, bearing replacement, and filter system. And aside from that, I can interpret a schematic diagram for HVAC, electrical and mechanical system, as well as floor plan and blueprints. Why are you interested in this job? Sample answer. I am interested in this job because I am looking for an opportunity that let me exercise my skill. I feel this position will allow me to succeed because my HVAC experience is related to the job. Can you tell me something about your previous or something about your experience? Sample answer. I developed extensive skills on my previous job, working with HVAC, refrigeration, chilled water system for the last 5 years. And I am excellent with residential and commercial HVAC installation and repairs, and also knowledgeable in analyzing and solving various electrical and mechanical problems. Why are you leaving your current or previous job? Sample answer number 1. My current job has been a great experience, but the growth is limited because the company is residential HVAC. I need to look somewhere like this commercial HVAC company where there is opportunity to grow my career. Sample answer number 2. I am ready for the next challenge in my career. I love the people I work with and the projects that I work on, but at some point I'm looking for the company where opportunity to grow my career. What is your preferred method of diagnosing a problem? Sample answer. Every technician has different approach of diagnosing a problem. For me, I will check first the thermostat settings because sometimes it only needs a battery replacement. Then filters. Dirty filters can negatively impact the way the unit works. Next, ignition system. Next, wear and tear of parts and components. And uneven coiling, an issue with coil. Have you ever had conflict with your superior or colleagues? And how do you handle it? Sample answer. I think everyone at some point had conflict with their superior or colleagues, especially in this kind of job. I just try to work with them whenever possible and stay away with conflict as much as I could. What is your strength? Sample answer. I am a hardworking and responsible person and do my duties on time. Number 2, I know how to learn from my mistakes and I'm good in prioritizing a task. I am determined and disciplined to make the job done in a safe manner. What is your weakness? Sample answer. I do not stop working until the job is done. I should know my limitation. Sample answer number 2. I have trouble saying no to my co-workers. Number 3. Sometimes lack of confidence. How important are safety regulations and following safety guidelines to you while on the job? Sample answer. Safety and customer satisfaction is my priority. I try to follow the guidelines of the company policy and review them. Additionally, I always make sure to conduct myself in a safe manner while performing my HVAC and refrigeration job, either in residential, commercial, and industrial. Do you have any questions for us? Sample answer. Always say yes if these questions will be asked. Sample answer number 1. What are the most immediate projects that need to be addressed? Sample answer number 2. What is the next process after the interview? What is the difference between R22 and R14A in the air? Sample answer. The R22 refrigerant is also known as Freon. R22 will become eliminated in the year 2030. R14A, commonly known as Boron, will be the replacement of Freon. What does denari means in the HVAC trade? This is a refrigerant blend, which means refrigerant is a 3-part blend. How does a normally closed relay operate? Sample answer. The normally closed will open when the coil is energized. Before we proceed, let's give interview tips for HVAC technician. Tips number 1, practice and repeat. Watch my video. Number 2, get ready ahead of time. Try to be calm and control your emotion and drink water first before you start. You need to research the company and look at their website. Be on time means early, at least 30 minutes before the interview. Keep your answer concise and focused. Do not speak negatively about your previous employers. Bring copies of your resume, a notebook, and pen. Be prepared with a list of examples of your previous job. Follow up after the interview. Let's proceed to technical questions. What are the few causes of short cycling? Dirty air filter causes the block of the airflow. Frozen evaporator, which is often inside the air handler. Faulty thermostat not getting correct room temperature. What symptoms of a bad expansion valve? Sample answer. High side pressure is high. AC blows cold, then hot. AC kicks on and then immediately kicks off. What are the different types of expansion valves? Sample answer. Thermal expansion valve, capillary tubes, automatic expansion valves. When looking for leak on refrigeration system, what signs should you look for? Oil stain on the refrigeration and piping system? Name the 4 components that make a refrigeration system. Compressor, condenser, evaporator, and metering device. Here's the 4 major components that makes refrigeration cycle. This job requires you to bend, crawl, lift heavy loads, entering confined space, noisy environment. Do you have problem with that? Usually the answer is no. If yes, you need to explain based on your medical or personal conditions. Will you be available to work on overtime, shift change, swing shift, or grave shift? How do you change the directions of motor? In 3-phase induction motor, reversing any 2 of the 3 wires will change the rotations of direction. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law can be expressed in this following formula. B equals I times R, I equals V over R, and R equals V over I. How do you use an amp meter? Just check the pictures